Hello children. So you are enjoying the lockdown period, correct? हम जब छोटे थे ना तो हमारे समय में तो हम गर्मी की छुट्टियों में अगर हम बोलते तो हैशटैग नानी का घर, हैशटैग मैंगो, हैशटैग कुल्फी, हैशटैग इंडोर गेम्स, करेक्ट? नाउ डेज यू आर एंजॉइंग एट योर होम ओनली, नो प्रॉब्लम, टाइम निकल जाएगा और हम आगे बढ़ जाएंगे। सबसे अच्छी बात है कि लॉकडाउन पीरियड में आप लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। द बेस्ट थिंग इज congratulations to you and your parents too. Okay, so now today we are starting the second part of probability, and in this one we have so many indoor games. First is the playing cards. As you know, in a pack of 52 cards or a deck of 52 cards, we have 52 cards in two colors. What two colors? Red and black. Red and black means 26 cards रेड एंड 26 ब्लैक। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे मैंने तो ब्लू बना रखा और बोल रेड रहा हूं। अरे भाई लॉकडाउन का टाइम है, जो मिला मैथ्स में क्या करते हैं, लेट इट बी एक्स, लेट इट बी रेड। अभी घर पे दाल भी नहीं होती है ना तो हम मैथ्स टीचर क्या बोलते हैं, लेट इट बी, माना कि ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। सो assume that color is red and color is black. So red color means 26 cards, black color means 26 cards. Again black divided in two groups. First is spade, second is club, जिसको हम बोलते हैं चिड़ी और इसको हम बोलते हैं हुकुम या काला पान। Red again two groups. First is hearts, second is diamonds, जिसको हम बोलते हैं लाल पान या ईंट। 13 cards in every group. Start with A, ace, king, queen, jack, and then number card starts from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, not 1. So number cards are 9 and face cards are 3. These are the three face cards. Why? King, queen and jack. These are said to be face cards. So in every group we have three face cards. It means total face cards are 12. Number cards starts from 2 and end up to 10. So how many number cards? 9. Now the next thing is, if we have the question, suppose what is the probability that if you select a card from the pack of card, it is a black card, then what we write? Black card probability is 26 by 52. If we cut it, what you are getting? Half. Maybe question is, find the probability of a diamond king. Diamond king, only one out of 52. Maybe the probability of the face card. How many face card in each group? 3. That is total 12. But every time in the board exam, you have to write first the formula. What formula? Probability of an event equals to total favorable cases divided by total number of exhaustive cases. Yeah, total number of cases, no problem. But every time you have to write the formula, then you have to write the favorable number of cases, then you have to write total number of cases, and then get the answer. अपन तो भी जल्दी में अपने को टॉपिक कंप्लीट करना है, इसलिए अपन सारी चीज नहीं लिखते हैं, ओके? बट इन एग्जामिनेशन बी श्योर. Now we start with some problems based on cards from your book. Say question number 14th. One card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. First, king of red color. King of red color. Two kings of red color. That means 2 by 52. Second, face card. Already completed. How many face cards? 12. You have to cancel it, okay? A red face card. Total face cards 12. So 50-50. 6 by 52. The jack of hearts. Jack of hearts. Only one. Correct? A spade. Spade card means 13. Next is the queen of diamond. The queen of diamond means where? Yes, 1 by 52. Probability of the sixth part. कितना इजी. One more question of the cards. Sum number from your book, sum number 15th. 5 cards, number 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. 5 cards. The 10 number, the Jack number, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds. Only 5 cards of diamonds. What? Jack, King, Queen and Ace and plus 10 number. Total cards 5. Then one card is then picked up at random. एक कार्ड को आपने निकाला. One card is picked up at the random. What is the probability that the card is the queen? Only one is the favorable. Answer is 1 by 5. First part. Second part. If the queen is drawn and put aside, जो आया था उसको बाहर रख दिया, -1. So now the total cases are 4. Correct? क्वीन को हटा दिया हमने. What is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace? Now ace is only 1, but remaining card only 4. Answer is 1 by 4. Next part, a queen. Third part. When queen is put aside, there is no queen in the 4 cards. That means answer is 0 by 4. That means impossible event. Answer is 0. Good. Now we start some other type of problems, say based on 2 coins or 3 coins or 4 coins. How we solve these type of questions? Say, if we throw 2 coins simultaneously, then we have total outcomes 4. If we throw a single coin, then 2 outcomes. That is 2 to power 1. If we throw 3 coins simultaneously, say 3 coins simultaneously, then 2 to power 3, that is 8 cases. Or you can say that 1 coin throw 3 times. एक ही बात है. And if you throw 4 coins, then 16 cases and so on. So first we want to make a table of how we write the sample points when we throw 3 coins simultaneously. Total numbers are 8. It means first we have to write, my shortcut is, first you have to write half of 8, 4. 4 times h and 4 times t in a single line. Yes or no? Good. Half of 4 is now 2. So 2 times h and 2 times t. And the last half of 2, that is 1. So write alternate ht, ht. How many? 8 sample points. इससे क्या कभी गलती नहीं होगी. हमेशा आपके sample points सही आएंगे. Out of these 8 sample points, so many questions you can frame. For example, first event that you are getting all heads. Answer is 1 by 8. All heads. Second, by the way, 2 heads. 2 heads means count it 1, 2 and 3. So answer is 3 by 8. Next is at least 2 heads. Very important. Even up to class 12th. At least 2 heads means कम से कम 2 हेड तो चाहिए ही. 3 हेड्स भी चलेंगे. It means 2 heads तो नहीं, 3 heads भी चलेंगे. Answer is 4 by 8. And what about at most 2 heads? The most important question. At most 2 heads means maximum 2 heads. 0 head चलेगा, 1 head चलेगा, 2 head चलेगा. कौन सा नहीं चलेगा? 3 heads नहीं चलेगा. It means cutting. Answer is 7 by 8. Easy. Suppose we throw 4 coins simultaneously. Then how we complete the sample points? My trick. 16. Half of 16? 8. So 8 times write h. 8 times. Then write 8 times t. Half of 8? 4. So 4 times h and 4 times t. 4 times h and 4 times t. Half of 4? 2. 2 times h 2 times T, 2 times H, 2 times T, again 2 times H, 2 times T, 2 times H and 2 times T. The last half of 2, 1. Alternate HT, HT. You are getting complete sample space very easily and no need to learn by heart, correct? Every time you are getting the correct sample points. These are the 18 sample points. Write in curly brackets as for sample space. Now again same type of question. We want 3 heads, we want 2 heads, we want at least 2 heads, we want 4 tails, whatever. You may solve it. Easy? Good. So these are the questions based on coins. Next is question based on spinning wheel. Spinning wheel means a wheel is given to you with rays like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and arrow is here. Question is, what is the probability that the number more than 2 will come? It means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 6 cases out of 8. Question is, number may be less than 9. Less than 9 means all the numbers are favorable. Answer is 8 by 8. That is sure event. Answer is 1. Next is, number is a prime number. Prime number starts from 2, 3 and 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4 by 8. Easy? So these type of questions based on numbers. Some more questions based on numbers. By the way, from 4 to 90, you have number card. Like in housing होता है ना, अपने housing में कहाँ से start होता है 1 से लेके 90. We are taking from 4 to 90. How many numbers are there? Everyone says 86. 90% student, if you ask from anyone, 90% will tell you 86 numbers. 100% wrong and you are getting a big zero. How many numbers are not here in the group? Only 3 out of 90. So total number of cases 87. Now suppose my question is, event is that all the numbers with the unit digit 0, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. How many? 9. So 9 by 87 is the answer. Sometimes they will say from to this. The language is now changed. Between 4 and 90. Between 4 and 90 means 4 and 90 not included. From 4 to 90, different question. Between 4 to 90, different question. So now how many cards? 85 cards. Because 2 more rejected. It means you have to start from 5 till 89. तो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में क्या होता है, कभी अगर अपने को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, then make a complete list 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 90, no problem. You are getting 100% marks. Yes? So don't guess that yes, ये answer होगा. No. Our aim is to get good marks in board exam 2021. Yes or no? Good. So different questions of these number cards. The next will come, the best important thing is the dice. Suppose we have a single dice. How many faces are there? Ludo खेलते हैं ना? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Suppose question is you want a 7 number. How will you get 7 number? 7 number is not here in the dice. Answer is 0. You want a number less than 1. No number less than 1. 0. You want even number. 3 even numbers out of 6. Correct. You want a prime number. 2, 3 and 5. Correct. 3 by 6 and so on. Different questions. Different. You make yourself so many questions. The next is, in this lockdown period, everyone is saying Doordarshan, Ramayana and Mahabharata. And Mahabharata, one important role of Shakuni. Shakuni throws 2 dice simultaneously. Every time getting 12. And to get the total of 12 is very, very less. Probability is only 1 case out of 36 cases. But the magic with the Shakuni, every time is getting total of 12. But here in the probability in our mathematics, these are 36 cases. First die black, 6 cases. Blue, 6 cases. 2 dice thrown, same as coin, 36 cases. If we throw 3 dice simultaneously, then 2 1 6 cases. But here 2 dice. One is blue, one is black. Now how many questions we have based on when we throw 2 dice? First is sum of the faces. Just like Shakuni, 6 plus 6, sometimes 5 plus 2. फेट होता है स्कूल में, तो आपके क्या ज्यादा चलता है? 7 up 7 down, यही तो है. 7 up 7 down. This is the case of 7. This is the case of 7. How many cases total? 6. 7 up, these are the cases of 7 up, and these are the cases of 7 down. So here the first question starts with the total of 12 and total of 2. See, total of 2 we have one case, 1 plus 1, and total of 12 we have one case. So here we write cases, only one. Total of 3 or total of 11, how many cases? 2. Total of 4, total of 10, 3. देखते जाओ. Total of 5, total of 9, correct. Total of 6, total of 8, 5, and highest, the diagonal will give you the highest, that is the total of 7, 6 cases. What a simple thing. अब क्वेश्चन कैसे बनते हैं इसके बाद? क्वेश्चन बनते हैं find the total of 11. Answer is 2 out of 36. Question is total is more than 10. 10 का टोटल भी चलेगा, 11 भी चलेगा, 12 भी चलेगा. Then 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 by 36. Question is we want total of less than 6. Less than 6 means total of 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is 4, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10 out of 36, because these are 36 cases. Some problems may be 2 dice are thrown, at least one die show 4. किसी ना किसी डाई में 4 जरूर होना चाहिए. देखो यहां सब में 4 आ रहा है और यहां सब में 4 आ रहा है. But this 4 is counted twice. At least 1 4, correct? At least 1 4, correct? Total cases 12, but this 4 is counted both the times. इधर भी काउंट कर लिया, इधर भी काउंट कर लिया. It means total cases 11 by 36. बढ़िया क्वेश्चन. कभी क्या कह देंगे? Both the faces shows prime numbers. Both the faces shows only prime numbers. Now you have some idea of prime numbers in a dice. 2, 3, 5. So all the combination of 2, 3, 5. 23 चलेगा, 32 चलेगा, 35 चलेगा, 53 चलेगा, 22 चलेगा, 33 चलेगा, 55 चलेगा. Count it. But we want only prime numbers on the faces. कर सकते हैं? कभी कभी पूछेंगे first number is less than the second number. 2 dice हैं. Blue will have less number than black. A blue is less than black. Blue is less than black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, bas 15. Only 15 cases when blue dice number is less than the black dice. और इसका उल्टा भी हो सकता है. Sometimes they will say the product, the least product from 1 and highest product to 36. They will say find the probability that the product is 20. Now find out product is 20. You may easily get product of 20 means 4 into 5, 5 into 4 or anywhere 20. No, it means 2 cases out of 36. So there are so many problems based on 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Now I think it is very clear to you how we have to solve. Similar question is in the optional exercise that two friends visit to a market on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Ekta and Sham. So Ekta is black, blue is Sham. Make this table and you will get the answer. Correct? So these type of questions are very good in the probability. But if you have no idea about the cards, is my request, use this lockdown period, play some games with your parents, with your grandparents, whoever in the residence, आपके घर पे जो भी लोग हों उनके साथ एक बार ताश जरूर खेलिएगा, है ना। जैसे एक और चीज, जिन्होंने शोले मूवी नहीं देखी है, लॉकडाउन में शोले मूवी देखी है। हाउ मेनी टाइम्स जय एंड वीरू थ्रो अ कॉइन एंड एवरी टाइम जय सेड यस। क्यों? दीज आर द गुड थिंग्स टू लर्न द थिंग्स। प्रोबेबिलिटी इज अ चैप्टर ऑफ आवर डेली लाइफ। आई लाइक इट मोस्ट, यू ऑल्सो। मिलते हैं अगला टॉपिक लेकर के, तब तक टेक केयर, पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए और खुश रहिए। गुड बाय।